What is stair construction? Tread, the horizontal step you walk on. Riser, the vertical face between two treads. Stringer, the side support that holds the treads and risers. Landing, a flat platform for resting or changing direction. Nosing, the front edge of a tread that sticks out slightly. Handrail, the railing you hold for support. Baluster, the vertical post that supports the handrail. Newel post, the main vertical post at the start or end of the handrail. Steps in stair construction. Design and measure determine rise, run, and total height. Layout, mark positions of treads and risers. Cut stringers, cut the support to fit the stair profile. Install stringers, fix securely to the floor and landing. Attach treads and risers, ensure even spacing and alignment. Add finishes, wood, concrete or tiles. Install handrails and balusters, for safety and aesthetics. Common materials: wood for residential use and warm appearance. Concrete, durable, used in public buildings. Steel, strong, used in industrial or modern designs. Glass, modern and aesthetic appeal. In short, stair construction combines engineering precision and architectural design to create safe and functional vertical circulation.